and shoulder, this becomes a support as well. And so the price came and reversed again at this point. All right. So trading inverted head and shoulder is profitable as well if you know how to do it. You can see I've won this trade. Okay. So let me look. Hello everyone. How are you today? Welcome once again to Online Money with Peter. Trust you are doing very great. All right. Without wasting time, I want to show you how you can make money online trading binary option. You can actually make a lot of money online trading binary options if you know what to do. All right. So I'm here to teach you how to do that. Just sit back and I'm going to show you how. All right. Now, before you can start trading binary options, you need to know how to trade forex. All right. You can't just know how to trade binary options without knowing how to trade forex. All right. So if you want to get a comprehensive training on how to trade forex, kindly join our partnership, our membership program, and I'm going to show you how to trade the forex market and making consistent profit. But however, you can still get a little idea on how to trade binary options and be making consistent profit for yourself. You might want to make trading of binary options a full-time business for yourself, or you might want to make it a part-time hustle for you, depending on how you want it. But however, there are a lot of people that are trading binary options as their side hustles, while there are some others also that are trading binary options full time. So it depends on you. All right. So just sit back while I show you how to trade binary options. All right. As always, I do not use indicators on my chart. What I use is just this horizontal lines, and it is good to trade when it is trending, and it's trending up or trending down. When the market is trending up, I usually like to take a buy trade, and when it's trending down, I take a sell trade. I flow along with the trend. Now I'm going to use a 1 minute expiry time. However, to know the direction of the trend, I'll go to 5 minutes chart and see the direction of the trend. With my 5 minute chart, you can see that it's actually trending up, and temporarily it's hovering around this area. All right. And I'm going to go back to 1 minute and 1 minute again, since I can see that it's trending up actually. So I'll go back to my 1 minute chart and look for a buy trade. Okay, as it is, it's been hovering, it's been ranging from this point to this point, and what you can see here, it's reversing here, it's reversed here at this price, it's reversed here, it's reversed here, it's reversed here. Now it's likely to break out of this resistance, right? And it's reversing here as well. So let's draw our horizontal line here. Okay, see, it was reversing here and now it's reversing somewhere here. So this area is a support area. All right. So if it comes back to this zone here, I'll place a buy trade since it's on an uptrend. All right, I'll place a buy trade here, believing that it's going to go up because of the presence of the buyers here. Okay, so let's wait for it to get to this point, and I'm going to place a buy trade. All right, let's see when it gets to, say, let me be patient and wait for it, because this place I can see that there are buyers here. So me taking the buy trade here, I'm at an advantage because of the presence of the buyers here. So when it gets to this point, I'm going to place the buy trade, hoping that it's going to go up. I believe that it's going to eventually break out of the seller's zone. Okay, so let's wait and see. This is the right place to place a trade. Okay, if it had come down a little bit here, I would have actually placed a trade. But however, let's wait and see, because this place is a good area to place a buy trade because of the presence of buyers here. You can see that it has been reversing here actually. You can see that. Okay, let's just wait and see. When you are trading binary option or forex, you don't rush into taking any trade. You want to be very, very sure of the trade you are taking, because there's in trading there's nothing like 100%. All trades that we take, they are all probabilities. All right, so you have to be sure to get the right trade. Okay, so let's see. Probably see it's going back up, but I just want to be sure, very, very sure, before I place on the trade here. Okay, it's going back up. This is a good area to place a trade actually. Okay, while I'm waiting for that, let's check another one. Okay, so I placed another buy trade here because I can see that it's still hovering. Okay, so I've won this trade again, right? You see, the sellers here are very, very strong. You will see they're very, very strong. They want to push the price down here, but the sellers are not as strong as the buyers. So that's why it's actually going up. Oh, interesting. Okay. All right, so I placed a buy trade here. Why did I place this buy trade here? I placed the buy trade here because of the presence of the buyers here. All right, this is an inverted head and shoulder. It broke out of the support zone, right? Formed inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder. So the buyers are here waiting. When it broke out, I came back. This was a false breakout, and it came back again and formed this inverted head and shoulder. This becomes a support as well, and so the price came and reversed again at this point. All right, so trading inverted head and shoulder is profitable as well if you know how to do it. You can see I've won this trade. Okay, so let me look for another opportunity again. Okay, go to this one. Now this euro USD actually is going, it wants to break out of this seller zone, and it's the sellers that are keeping it here. You can see if I use my trend line. Okay, so trend line here. Okay, so you can see that it's actually going up. All right, it's going up. Okay, you can see higher lows. You can see what's happening here. Higher highs and higher lows. So it's likely to break out of this resistance. Okay, if I take a buy trade here, it's not advisable to actually take a buy trade here. So it's good. Let me just wait for it to break out of this resistance, and when it comes back to retest this support, because when it breaks out of this resistance will now become a support. So when it breaks out and comes back to retest it, then I can place a buy trade. All right, but for now, let's wait and see. Okay, so I placed another buy trade here because I can see that it's still hovering around here. It still wants to reverse at this point, so I placed another buy trade here. Okay, so let's wait and see the outcome. It's likely to reverse at this point and go to the upside because of the presence of the buyers here. The buyers here are very strong, right? So it's likely to go up again. The first time I placed the trade here, it reversed, it came back again. So the buyers are really pushing the price here. The sellers actually want to push the price down, but because of the presence of buyers here, the sellers, cannot But if the pressure of the sellers are much, it's likely to break out. But if the buyers here are strong, it will not be easy for the sellers to push the price down. Okay, so I've won this trade again, right? You see, the sellers here are very, very strong. You see, they're very, very strong. They want to push the price down here, but the sellers are not as strong as the buyers. So that's why the buyers won eventually at this point. And this is, again, it's inverted head and shoulder. Left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So I've won the two trades I took at this point. I invested $500 and look at the profit I got out of it. So I've won these two trades, right? Actually, I did my proper analysis before I took this trade. So let me look for another opportunity again. All right, so you can see what I said here. Okay, the buyers are still here. The buyers are still here. They want to push the price above this, but the sellers are really resisting the buyers from pushing the price above this. But I believe that eventually the price is going to move above this. Better to place a buy trade. I may sell trade actually. From here, I'll place my horizontal line. All right, so this is a zone. It's on a downtrend. This is a good area to place a sell trade. This is kind of head and shoulder. It's reversed here, reversed here. So it's likely to also reverse at this point. It's on the downtrend. The overall trend is downtrend. Okay, let's quickly check a 5 minutes chart. Okay, 5 minutes chart. See, it broke out of this support, came back and retested it, and see what is happening here. It reversed here. This candlestick, 5 minutes candlestick, is strong, but it's still likely to reverse here because on the downtrend. So it will be good to place a sell trade at that point. Let me go back to 1 minute chart and see. You can see actually that sorry, this is a good area to place a sell trade. Let's see. I think I've missed this one. Think good. I think I place a sell trade. This is a good place to place a sell trade. Actually want to break out of it, but let's wait and see the outcome. Okay, let's see. Now this is head, left shoulder, right shoulder. So let's see. You can see that it's reversing at this point. All right, the sellers here, the sellers here. So because there are sellers here. So because of this is a strong sellers area, the sellers push the price down. So you can see that I've won this trade again. All right, so trading inverted head and shoulder binary options is also key if you know what to do. I saw that when I look at the trend, it was actually trending down. All right, you can see it's trending down, and when it's trending down, I always take a sell trade. I fly along with the trend. So I saw that it broke out of this support zone, came back and retest this area and formed an head and shoulder. This is the right shoulder, this is the left shoulder, this is the head. And at this point, there are sellers here. So that was why I took a sell trade, and eventually it came down. All right, so you can see this pin bar, inverted pin bar. So the price is coming down. So I won these 3 trades. So I think I'll look for one more trade and I'm going to call it a day. All right, so this Euro USD, let's see what's happening. I think I'll have to leave this for now. Close this one. Okay, see this one, it broke out. This is inverted head and shoulder. You can see that it has reversed at this point. So knowing how to trade inverted head and shoulder is very, very key. It can give you a consistent profit. Okay, so at this point, I don't think I cannot see another opportunity again. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, I'm not sure of this. Okay, so at this point, I think I'm going to call it a day. All right. So thank you very much for watching till this time, because now I cannot see any more opportunities, and I don't want to spend too much time, because with trading, one thing that makes forex traders lose money is over trading. I do not want to over trade, and since I've won these 3 trades, I think I'm okay. All right, so I'm going to wait till next time for another opportunity. All right, please, if you find value with this, please kindly like if you have not done so, and subscribe, so that subsequently, as I upload more of these binary trading tips, you'll be one of the first individuals to get notified. Also, if you want a comprehensive forex trading, could be binary trading or forex trading, kindly do well to join our partnership, our membership program, and I'm going to give you comprehensive training on how to trade binary options and the core forex, and we make a consistent profit. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.